Naomi Home presents the Nancy toy and book rack assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. To commence, get 4 cam bolts in part number 4. Place your 4 cam bolts onto piece number 4 as shown. Now, get 2 screws and 2 wood dowel pins. Insert the 2 wood dowel pins into part number 2. Position part number 2 in the center of part number 4 and secure it in place by tightening the 2 screws. Obtain part number 9 and install it onto part number 4. Get 2 cam locks. Insert both cam locks into part number 9. Use a screwdriver to lock part number 9 in place. Get part number 5 and connect it to the other side of part number 4. Get 2 cam locks, insert them into part number 5 and use a screwdriver to lock them in place. Acquire part number 7 and insert 2 cam bolts. Insert part number 7 into part number 5 and use 2 cam locks to secure it in place. Obtain part number 11 and insert 2 cam bolts. Insert 2 wood dowel pins onto the bottom side of part number 5. Align and insert part number 11 into part number 5. Use 2 screws and 2 cam locks to secure your structure. Acquire parts number 1 and 8. Insert 6 cam bolts on each. Get 8 wood dowel pins, insert 2 onto the side of part number 11, 2 onto the side of part number 9, and 2 onto part number 8. Connect part number 8 onto parts number 4 and 11. Use 6 cam locks to keep it all together. Obtain part number 6 and align it to the grooves of part number 4 and 11. Slide part number 6 all the way to the end. Get 8 wood dowel pins, insert 2 onto part number 1, 2 onto part number 11, and 2 onto part number 9. Connect part number 1 onto parts number 4 and 11. Use 6 cam locks to keep it all together. Look for part number 12 and insert 6 cam bolts onto it. Connect part number 12 onto the bottom of your connected parts. Use 6 cam lock to lock them in place. Get part number 10, align it to the grooves on the side of part number 1 and 8. Slide part number 10 all the way to the end. Acquire part number 3 and insert 6 cam bolts and 6 wood dowel pins. Finally, connect part number 3 on top of your connected parts. Use 6 cam locks to secure it in place. And there you have it, your Nancy toy and book rack is complete and ready for use.
Thanks for watching! Like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.